Hello, my name is Brandon. I'm a member of Group Tree and I am joined by my team members Jack and Daniel. In this short video, we will show our perspectives on ethical considerations that engineers should take when developing code to diagnose medical conditions. We will start off with Jack and then move on to Daniel.
Important ethical considerations would be the validity and reliability of the code. As an engineer, you must be absolutely sure that the diagnosis you give is an accurate representation of the medical condition that the patient has. Otherwise, your methods would be rendered useless and the health of the patient would be compromised. In our code, we scan 200 EEG signals and categorize them into 4 different classes, where each class represented a different scenario. A diagnosis could be given based on how these EEG signals were interpreted. Although, would there be enough information in these signals to diagnose more complex conditions, such as narcolepsy, Alzheimer's disease, or degeneration of brain tissue? My ethical consideration is to evaluate other parts of the patient's body to have a more reliable validation of what disease they actually have. This would involve scrutinizing the patient's blood pressure, bone tissue, level of cholesterol, blood type, ECG signals, allergies, fitness, age, ethnicity, and gender. Inputting these variables into a MATLAB code would most certainly give a more accurate representation of the medical condition that the patient has. I will now pass you on to Daniel.
I'd now like to bring up the point of beneficence, doing work to help others. Our jobs as engineers is to design, build, and maintain things that are beneficial to humans and society. Therefore, we try to aim to work ethically and responsibly when we're considering the effects of our work on others. This would be exactly the case when developing code to diagnose medical conditions. Therefore, we have to understand that the main focus of the work done here is based on helping others and working with others to help treat these medical conditions, and also doing so in a justifiable manner in relation to cost and accessibility to these potentially life-saving diagnostics. To summarise the point of beneficence, as an engineer, your main priority should be benefiting the people you are trying to help in these situations.